In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your monday.com board ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or anyone in between, understanding how to locate your board ID on monday.com is crucial for navigating and utilizing the platform to its full potential. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about monday.com for those who might not be familiar. Monday.com is a versatile project management tool that teams use worldwide to organize, track, and manage their work. Knowing how to find your board ID is essential for various tasks, such as integrating with other apps, customizing your workflow, or solving any issues with the Monday.com support team. To start, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account, so go ahead and pull up your preferred web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the monday.com homepage. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, also known as the home page. If not, take a moment to sign in with your credentials. Upon reaching the home page, your next step is to select the board you'll be working with. Monday.com boards are where all your projects and tasks live. They're highly customizable, allowing you to create a workflow that matches your team's needs perfectly. Now have a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a list of all your boards grouped by workspaces. Go ahead and click on the board you're interested in. This action will take you directly to the board's main page, where you can see all its contents, including tasks, timelines, and any integrations you've set up. Now here comes the key part, locating your monday.com board ID. You might be wondering, what exactly is a board ID? Simply put, it's a unique identifier that monday.com assigns to every board created on the platform. It's not immediately visible at first glance, but don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to find it. Once you're inside your selected board, take a look at your browser's address bar. This is where the URL or web address of the current page is displayed. You might see a lot of text up there, but what we're interested in is the very last part of the URL. You'll notice it ends with a series of numbers. This is what you're looking for, the board ID. It's as simple as that. These numbers uniquely identify your board within monday.com system, making it possible to reference it in scripts, integrations, or when communicating with support. Let's recap what we've covered. You've learned that the board ID is a critical piece of information for utilizing monday.com to its fullest. We started by navigating to the monday.com homepage and selecting our desired board. Then we found the board ID simply by looking at the URL in our address bar. A few tips as you go about finding and using your board ID. Keep in mind that each board ID is unique. If you manage multiple boards, each will have its own ID. Also, if you're working in a team, ensure you're accessing the correct board to find the relevant board ID. In conclusion, finding your board ID on monday.com is straightforward once you know where to look. It's all about going to your board and then letting the URL guide you to the information you need. This simple yet crucial step opens up a world of possibilities for managing your projects more effectively, integrating with other tools, and getting the most out of monday.com. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide makes managing your projects on monday.com even easier and helps streamline your workflow. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and guides to maximize your productivity and efficiency. Happy project managing.